Hello learners, the present module talks about what are the important health benefits of functional foods through its bioactive compound present in food. The functional food offers a great potential to improve and to some extent help to prevent certain diseases when taken as a part of balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Functional food are one of the fastest growing segment of food industry. In some countries, functional foods have already become a part of dietary landscape. Functional food constituents may be perceived to enhance short-term well-being. The benefits are generally related to long-term mitigation of certain diseases. Let us understand what are the bioactive compounds, how they function, and how they impart the health benefits. What are bioactive compounds? Bioactive compounds are the diverse type of chemicals present in small amount in plant and animal sources, which include fruits, greens, nuts, oils, whole grain, fatty fish, to name few. They have been studied for prevention of cancer, heart disease, and different diseases. The examples of bioactive compound encompasses lycopene, resveratrol, lignin, tannins, and indols. In today's learning objective will be to understand the beneficial effect of different bioactive components on different non-communicable diseases. The benefits of bioactive compounds. Let us first understand beta-carotene. The carotenoids are the most common and significant bioactive compound, particularly due to their diverse function. These are fat-soluble pigments found mostly in plants, fruits, flowers like algae and photosynthetic bacteria, and also on non-photosynthetic bacteria like yeast and mold. The most plentiful carotenoids in commonly consumed foods are beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, gamma-carotene, lycopene, lutein, beta-cryptoxanthine, zeaxanthin, astaxanthin, and these groups offers the health benefits ranging from macular degeneration, prevention against prostate cancer, free radical scavenger, and reduces LDL cholesterol. Dietary fibers. Dietary fiber include cellulose, hemicellulose, polyfructose, galacto-oligosaccharides, gums, mucilage, pectins, lignins. Fibers are divided in soluble and insoluble. Both soluble and insoluble fiber are undigested in stomach and small intestine. When they reach large intestine, they are fermented by intestinal bacteria in different level. The fermentation process of short chain fatty acids, which are help in reducing cholesterol control, sugar control, help in reducing weight, and prevent some types of cancer like breast cancer in females. Phytoestrogens are the plant compounds to estrogenic which have role in metabolism of carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, and minerals in human body and in reproductive cycle in women. Phytoestrogens are divided in two main groups, isoflavones and lignans. Phytoestrogens have beneficial effect on skeleton, that is bone health, the cardiovascular protection, and prevent menopausal problem. Plant sterols. The sterols and stenols are present in fruits, vegetable, nuts, seeds, cereals, legumes, and vegetable oils. While stenols are present in much lesser amount in human beings, plant sterols and stenols reduces the absorption of cholesterol. Many nutraceutical products are available in the market containing sterols and plant stenols. They are impart anti-inflammatory, antioxidative, and anti-atherosclerotic benefits. Probiotic. Probiotic are the living microbes which include lactobacillus species, bifidobacterium species, and yeast. When consumed in set amount, these have beneficial impact on human health by enhancing the balance of intestinal microflora. In fact, one of the oldest method used to produce and preserve food by fermentation carried out by microorganisms and cultured dairy products, soured milk, were often used therapeutically. Recent controlled scientific investigation supports these traditional views, suggesting that probiotics are a valuable part of healthy diet. The intestinal microflora is important for the development of immune system, the growth of normal intestinal morphology, and preservation of balanced inflammatory response. Many commercial yogurts are available in the market which contain specified amount of lactobacillus. Fatty acids. The essential fatty acids are the long chain polyunsaturated fatty acids which plays an important role on human health promotion, and since they cannot be synthesized by human body, they must be obtained through the diet. They are labeled as good fat as they fight with the bad fats such as trans fat and cholesterol, and they increase the level of high density lipoprotein or good cholesterol and decrease the level of low density lipoprotein and bad cholesterol. The omega-3 fatty acids are obtained from linolenic acid, omega-3,6 from linoleic acid, and omega-9 fatty acids from oleic acid. The human body changes ALA into EPA and DHA, which are more readily used. The health benefits offered by this group is reduction in cardiovascular events, cancer prevention, optimal brain functioning. All these are mediated by alteration in eicosanoid production. Let us now see isothiocyanates, a cluster of phytochemicals containing sulfur that occur naturally as a glycosinolate conjugates in cruciferous vegetable. Dietary fiber supplements comprising extract of cruciferous vegetable are available in the market, some of which are standardized to a certain amount of glycosinolates and sulforaphane. Studies have shown that isothiocyanates and their metabolites help to reduce the risk of developing different types of cancer like lung, breast, liver, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and colon. Organosulfur compounds found in garlic and other species like onion and leek. These flavor compounds have anti-carcinogenic properties. One of the possible mode of action is through which the sulfur compounds work via induction of detoxifying enzymes such as NADPH, quinine oxidoreductase, glutathione transferase. Other physiological actions accredited to allium organosulfur compounds include their ability to reduce blood lipids, cholesterol levels, induce antiplatelet aggression and fibrinolytic activities, act as a immunostimulants, enhancing leukocytes, lymphocytes, macrophage levels and natural killer cell function. Inulin or the fructooligosaccharides have its place in group of carbohydrate known as non-digestible oligosaccharides and has been associated of human consumption. Inulin has many dietary advantages which are mostly involved in development of bifidobacteria as confirmed by in vitro and in vivo studies. Inulin has all characteristics, health benefits common to non-digestible polysaccharides which perform many similar functions attributed to dietary fiber. Their main important health benefit is development of healthy intestinal bacteria which promotes gastrointestinal health, enhance immune function. They make many minerals bioavailable to the body, helps in metabolism of lipids, reduced chances of colon cancer, vital food for controlling non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, obesity, and to some extent osteoporosis as reported as elicited in the various studies. Resveratrol, a polyphenol present in skin of grapes, berries, and peanuts, has been stated to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Presently, a lot of multi-phase 1 and 2 clinical trials for the treatment of variety of human diseases which can be controlled by resveratrol is being evaluated. Anti-cancer effects of resveratrol are backed by epidemiological, experimental, and clinical investigation. Impact of specific to the prostate cancer was found due to alteration of activation of cascade of genes involved in cell cycle arrest and apoptosis. Resveratrol help in controlling flow mediated dilation and hence offer controlling hypertension and also the cardioprotection by reducing cholesterol. Quercetin, a classical flavonoid universally present in fruits and vegetables and has its antioxidant effect, is understood to be helpful for human health. Quercetin has been suggested to have the anti-atherogenic, anti-inflammatory and anti-hypertensive properties, leading to beneficial effect against cardiovascular disease. It possesses anti-inflammatory perspective that can be expressed on diverse cell types, both in animal and human models. It is known to hold both mast cell stabilizing and gastrointestinal cytoprotective activity. It can also help in modulating biphasic and regulatory action on inflammation and immunity. Additionally, quercetin has immunosuppressive impact on cell function. Curcumin. Turmeric or curcumin is one of the important member of polyphenol category, which remains the strongest member. Curcumin's basic function is as anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, exhibiting functional health benefit. Immunity, natural antioxidant, joint arthritis, blood sugar control, Alzheimer, diabetes, dementia, benign prostate hyperplasia, and liver health are the main areas where curcumin promotes the protection. Suggestion and research for heart health impacting LDL cholesterol levels, blood pressure, vasodilation, circulation, and plaque formation. Turmeric and component may play a positive role in alcoholic liver condition, cancer prevention, irritable bowel disease, and may well be a strong candidate for natural antacid. Let us now see the gingerol, the active component in the ginger that thought to relax the blood vessel, stimulates blood flow and relieve pain. It is commonly used as a digestive aid and contain the compound that ease the motion sickness, nausea, and inhibit vomiting. This makes a helpful spice for morning sickness or for the people suffering from the side effects of chemotherapy. Let us now conclude the health and wellness of human being is largely depends upon general lifestyle and by the consumption of nutritious food. Inclusion and consumption of biologically active ingredients in fruits and vegetables have been linked to help battle disease such as cancer and cardiovascular disease, obesity, gastrointestinal tract disorder. Furthermore, research is required to validate potential health benefits of those food for which diet-health relationships are not sufficiently authenticated and create a strong scientific knowledge base for proper application of naturally present foods in combating various disease disorders and promote health and well-being. Thank you.